Teach Me TV, we are back again with another great video for you. We hope all is well with you and yours. Today, we want to discuss a topic that many newbie online entrepreneurs go through. So many newbies are balancing between their jobs and their online business. The number one question is how to make extra money when you are already working a 9 to 5. We have discussed a topic just like this in a blog article. So we will share that link in the description so you can review. Okay, how to make extra money while working a 9 to 5 work schedule. We at Teach Me TV are not giving any financial advice, or are we saying that you will make money if you try these methods? These tips are strictly what we have used to generate profits for our business. It will take effort on your part for these results to be applicable. But overall, what a great question. That answer is an easy one. Sell something. Today's economy is built on, and for e-commerce, almost on every platform, you name it. Just think about all the apps on your phone. They all are meant for a specific purpose. Music, security, banking, gaming, beauty, and so many more. I'm sure you could name a few that aren't on this list. Here at Teach Me TV, we want you to have as much information as possible. To have the means to make as much as you can, whenever you can. That is the overall goal, right? Always remember the objective of life is development. If you aren't striving for excellence, you are doing it wrong. So our job today is to spark that idea in your mind that will push you toward building your wealth. Now let us dive into the top 7 things you can do right now to make money while still working your 9 to 5 job. 1. Consolidating. Sell all of your unwanted stuff. We all remember the old saying, another person's trash is someone else's treasure. This is what we mean by consolidating. Sell the things you never use anyway, so that when you sell them you will not miss them. Note, we are not telling anyone to sell trash. It is a figure of speech. 2. Retail arbitrage. Buying items from a retailer and reselling at a higher rate. Buy low, sell high. That is the key with this strategy. 3. Investing. Making your money work for you. This is defining the meaning of passive income. The stock market can be risky if you do not know what you're doing. The key is to spread out your investment over several stocks. Never have all your eggs in one basket. If you can remember that, you will be fine. 4. Freelancing. Selling your words, proofreading, transcriptions, and grammatical skills. It really is that simple. The internet has given you the world at your fingertips. Take advantage of it. 5. Education. Could you think about how you could teach people to speak a new language, how to dress for an important meeting or interview, teach someone how to read body language, how to create a PDF file, how to make a chocolate cake. The list goes on and on. It is endless. 6. Software and game reviews, or product reviews. Be the first to make a video and review of the latest game, software, hottest new product and get paid. Do enough of these, obtain sponsorship from the company, and never have to punch a time clock ever again. 7. Cashback coupon. This step is more like a slow burn. Remember, it all adds up. So wherever you can save, it only benefits you in the long run. This will help you keep more of your money instead of giving it all away. We will leave all the resources to these money-making opportunities in the description below. These 7 tips are the best ways in our opinion to make your first dollar online. We hope that you liked this video. If so, please hit the like button and hit the subscribe button for the latest updates. We have other online money-making techniques videos you can watch in the description below. Also, do not forget to sign up to the newsletter. Thanks for watching. We will see you on the next one.